Country Director of Pathfinder International has called for collective commitment and the inclusion and involvement of youths in the advancement of family planning. The medicine practitioner said it was important to make family planning as globally important as COVID-19.
For Nigeria, the youthful bulge is not commensurate with the economic development. So there's no way we are going to harness economic or demographic dividend if we are not moving at par together. So that means that we have to pause on the population and then move forward with economic development so that we can have at least come to the same level where everybody will be accounted for, everybody will be catered for. There were a lot of resources that were pumped into the response to COVID-19 because it was a global issue. And I think it is time for us to also consider family planning as important as COVID-19.
Erica Goldson, Deputy Representative of United Nations Population Fund UNFPA, reiterated the organization's commitment to enable both boys and girls develop their full potential in their personal lives and in the society.
UNFPA has a strategy that we look at engagement of men and boys. Oftentimes people say we focus too much on the girls and the women and we forget the men and the boys. But we recognize that for us to change the dynamics of gender equality in this country and in any country, because even in my country there are challenges there too, we have to engage with men and boys for them to understand and to respect women and see them as equal partners in things that we need to achieve in Nigeria. So we try to collaborate with other agencies that does things around the, I can't pronounce it, Almagic boys or something? Almagic, yeah.
Dr. Victor Igalo, Director, the Challenge Initiative of Johns Hopkins Center for Communication Programs, called for implementation of family planning issues targeting men who provide support and protection for women.
Men have key roles to play in being able to articulate policies and programs and also stand up to protect women. I think I need to mention here that a critical component of family planning is being able to reduce or avoid completely gender-based violence. And men have a huge role to play in protecting the health and rights and the integrity of our women, but also acting as role models and advocates within the communities.
Aisha Waziri, a member of Nigeria Family Planning Youth Conference Committee, described youths as champions in advocacy.
Young people have the technical expertise and they have the understanding of the unique needs of young people, especially young people who have already young people who are already transitioning into adulthood and really require to have access to reproductive health information and services. So when these young people are properly engaged and they are put on the table and they are prioritized, they will be able to make meaningful contribution to the family planning conversation and also be able to engage their peers and mobilize them to have access to family planning services.
Okay,